Start with the exterior walls. So for the exterior walls, we're asked to create exterior walls, the thickness of which is 300 millimeters. The wall must be located with one edge, either the interior or exterior, touching a grid line. So there's the exterior wall, 300 millimeters thick. Now, let's go to our grid. So you can click the middle mouse button to pan. You can roll the middle mouse roller to zoom in. Place your cursor at a particular area and it will zoom in that area. Okay. So here we're going to start the line command. Now, since our limitation is on the grid, right? So if we place our exterior wall here, we cannot place our wall thickness to the outside. It has to be inside. If we place it here, then we can put it at the outside. So for this one, I'm just going to create a line. The shortcut for the line command is L and hit space bar and then click on that corner. And I'm just going to go around. Now, notice that I am snapping to the intersection. This is what we call the object snap in AutoCAD. So you can snap, and then for this one, you can either go to the beginning or you can type C to close. So that creates a nice square around the grid, the 9x9 grid lines. Now for that object snap, whenever you are asked to click a point, you can click or snap to a particular point in the drawing. Now, this should be turned on, the snap cursor to 2D reference points. And you can turn that on by clicking this button right here. Okay, it's a toggle switch, or you can press F3. Now, the ones that are checked are the ones that will be selected, either the endpoint of a line or a curve, the midpoint of a line and a curve, the center of the line or a curve or a circle, intersection, and I actually prefer to not check the extension. Okay, I rather have perpendicular. You don't want to check all of this because it becomes confusing, right? So just select those, and whenever you are asked to, for example, I start the line command, whenever you're asked to pick a point, then it will show you the intersection, the endpoints, right? So it's not a command, it's a helper. Okay, so that's the first thing that we want to do. Maybe we would like to define our areas or rooms. So I'm going to maybe place here another room. I can hit spacebar to end the line command, and then to repeat the last command, I just need to hit spacebar again. I normally use my thumb, so if I'm right-handed, I'll use my left thumb to hit the spacebar. So this way, I'm able to use my 4 fingers to type the command and then spacebar to uh, accept the command. Okay, so here I'm going to place another line and hit spacebar to end the line command. So there you go. I have created, using the line command, a schematic drawing of the floor plan of the 4 rooms. Now, you can create your own design. This is how it can look like, right? So it doesn't have to be the entire room. It could be 3 rooms or the entire grid. It could be 3 rooms, right? That could be 1 room with the door and then windows, an interior wall, okay, exterior walls, okay, interior door. So those are the things that we are going to be doing. So for my uh, example demonstration, I'll be doing this as the design, very simple. You can follow along, or you can create your own. Okay, doesn't need to fit the entire grid line.